Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mama of French Girls. So guys, I am here just to do an unboxing video.
Another banger, baby, calm down, calm down.
I wanted this for so long. I saw it um on Facebook on the link page where I wanted to buy it, but I couldn't buy it at that moment because I was traveling, and because there was no money to buy it, I was traveling. But now I went back to the store to see if it was still on promotion like they said. And funny fact, when I arrived there, I asked the guy how much is the tripod stick. So he told me it's 49 euro. I said, but I saw it at 39 euros on Facebook. So check again. And when he checked, it was 49 euros. So this is what I got. Yes, I got this. Don't come and laugh at me because I don't know how to use this as yet. I just bought it and I said, why not share with you guys? It came with this cable, the paper to show, and it came in this. So I'm gonna be taking it out. It has this, can remove it and charge this. I think it does Bluetooth also. Yes, it's a Bluetooth tripod selfie stick. Yeah, so it opens like, I don't know, see me struggle to open this thing. It opens like this. You press there and you pull there. This part is actually flexible. This is the part to hold the phone, actually flexible, and it has these parts on that to open like this. So, oh, I didn't know this part was flexible as well. So yeah, this is it guys. This is what I got for my vlogs, for my YouTube vlogs, because I need this. I really do need this for when I am doing vlogs outside my house. I need this tripod. So yeah, I got it at, do you think the price is affordable? Guys, please let me know. What do you think? I do not really know how to use it as yet, but with time I will actually learn how to use this. It's very easy to put in your bag, in your hands. Yeah, it's very easy because I only had a ring light, and you all know that we can't go out with a wrong ring light as this. So I had to get myself one of these. My friend actually told me she would offer me one, but she's still far away from me, so I really didn't need it as now. So if she offers me it, I'll have two, but then I have already gotten this one, so I will definitely use this one in my videos. So yeah, thank you. Oh, this is what I wanted to show you guys. There's nothing more. So thank you all so much for watching my videos. And if you have watched my video till now, you are the real MVP. Yes, stay connected to me, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for watching and stopping by, and I'll see you all in my next one. So for now, bye.